Hi guys, I'm Priyanka.
And I'm Deepika, and we are back with another video.
So in today's video, we'll be revamping our dad's old shirt into this cool peplum top.
But first, we would like to thank Bigly app for sponsoring our video. So Bigly is like a reselling app जहाँ पे आप buy या sell कर सकते हैं चीज़ें. This is like the perfect app अगर आप student हो या housewife हो या anybody who's looking for an extra income. यहाँ पे seller बनना is super easy. Just click on become a seller and fill in the details. जो basic details हैं नाम, phone number, email address and just create your own password and आप एक seller बन गए. So after becoming a seller अगर आपका एक product sell होता है तो आपको shipping का भी tension लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं because Bigly handles everything. तो आपको घर बैठे बैठे at your comfort you are earning money and which is amazing. So as you can see, they have so many options in clothing, accessories, makeup, you name it and they have it. So आप easily इसको purchase कर सकते हैं and if you don't have a card, you can totally opt for COD as well, which is amazing. Also another cool thing about this app is अगर आप अपने friends या family को refer करते हैं तो आपको 500 points मिलेंगे और उनको भी 500 points मिलेंगे, which you both can redeem on your next Bigly purchase. So I think this is super cool. So download the app now. The link is in the description. And now let's get on with the video. So for this DIY, you will need old dad's shirt, measuring tape, chalk and scissors. So अब हम ये शर्ट को ओपन करेंगे and then shoulder से we'll mark our bodice length. So we wanted 14, तो हम 14 and half रख रहे हैं, half inch for the allowance. After cutting that, हम 2 inches अंदर से मार्क करके sleeves को कट कर लेंगे. Now we'll fold our shirt and mark our waist measurement. So our waist is 30. So 30 divided by 4, that is 7.5. And हम 1 inch का allowance रख रहे हैं. And now we'll mark our armhole. अब armhole and waist measurement को एक straight line में draw करके उसे cut कर लीजिए. Now for the peplum effect, we need a little more fabric. So we're gonna use this sleeve fabric. Cut it like this. And then attach it to the bottom part. Don't forget to cut the buttons and then stitch it as shown in the video. So as you can see, it looks very uneven. तो अब हम straight line mark करके उसे cut कर लेंगे. अब हम fabrics को front facing front रख के उसे pleats दे देंगे. So this is how the top has turned out. I think it looks super cool.
We're just so impressed with the outcome.
So that's it for today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed it.
And if you did, then
Like, share and subscribe.
and also don't forget to download the Bigly app.
Yes. Bye.